Hello friends, today I want to show you a very cool tool I made some time ago. This tool is not only useful on a boat, you can use it on a construction site or maybe on a farm or in the forest if you like climbing trees. Okay, now you want to see what it's good for. If you want to make one yourself, it's good to understand the principle. Just watch it. And this is what the individual parts look like that you have to cut out. I used my CNC router to cut these parts, but a drilling machine and a jigsaw will do it as well. As material, I used a cheap plastic cutting board from the kitchen. So, if you are a Captain Hook, or if you're Bob the Builder, or if you like to swing through the jungle, this is a very cool tool to make. And friends, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe.